हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी सीकर्स पर आपका स्वागत है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 इज द आउटर मोस्ट लिमिटिंग लेयर ऑफ माइकोप्लाज्मा इज सेल वॉल, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, म्यूसिलेजिनस शीथ और स्लाइम लेयर। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज द आउटर मोस्ट लिमिटिंग लेयर ऑफ माइकोप्लाज्मा। Question number 82. Pigment present in cyanobacteria is R-phycocyanin, R-phycoerythrin, C-phycocyanin, or anthocyanin. The correct option is option C. C-phycocyanin is the pigment present in cyanobacteria. Question number 83 is the nuclear material in bacterial cell is called cellulose, nucleide, mucopeptide, or mesosome. Here the correct option is option B. Nucleide is the nuclear material of bacterial cell. Question number 84. Tetanus disease is caused by virus, bacteria, fungi or mycoplasma. Here the correct option is option B. बैक्टीरिया के द्वारा टिटनेस डिजीज होती है और उस बैक्टीरिया का नाम होता है माइकोबैक्टीरियम टिटैनी. Question number 85 is bacterial flagellum is made up of protein, amines, lipids or carbohydrates. Option A is correct. Flagella is made up of protein and the name of protein is flagellin protein. Question number 86. Common bacterium used in genetic engineering is E. coli, Diplococcus, Rhizobium or Spirulum. Option A is correct. E. coli is the bacteria used in genetic engineering. Question number 87. Mycoplasma is not inhibited by penicillin as it lacks cell wall, sexual reproduction, ribosomes, or nucleus. Option A is correct. Mycoplasma do not contain cell wall. Question number 88. Lactic acid bacteria at suitable temperature converts milk to curd, which improves its nutritive quality by enhancing level of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D. Here option B is correct, vitamin B. Question number 89. Methanogens growing anaerobically in cellulosic material produce methane, methane and CO2, methane and H2, methane, CO2 and H2. Here option A is correct, methane. Question number 90. Methanogens are most abundant in hot spring, sulfur rocks, cattle yard or polluted streams. Option C is correct. कैटल यार्ड में मेथेनोजेंस मोस्ट अबेंडेंट होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल? अमीबा प्रोटियस, पैरामीशियम कॉर्डेटम, एस्चेरिशिया कोलाई, यूग्लिना विरिडिस. Here option C is correct. Escherichia coli is a bacteria and it is a prokaryotic organism. Question number 92. Plasmids are extrachromosomal DNA which can self-replicate or DNA carrying genetic sequence without expressing it. Option C. Integrate within host DNA without replication ability. Option D. None of the above. Here option A is correct. Plasmids are extrachromosomal DNA which can self-replicate. Question number 93. The main difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is cell membrane, cell wall, ribosome or mitochondria. Here option B is correct. Cell wall is the main difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया की सेल वॉल की आउटर मोस्ट लेयर जो होती है टिकोइक एसिड की बनी होती है, जबकि ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया की सेल वॉल की आउटर लेयर लाइपोपॉलीसेकेराइड की बनी होती है. इसलिए ग्राम पॉजिटिव और ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया में मेन डिफरेंस सेल वॉल का होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. व्हाट इज अ जीनोफोर? डीएनए इन प्रोकैरियोट्स, डीएनए एंड आरएनए इन प्रोकैरियोट्स, डीएनए एंड प्रोटीन इन प्रोकैरियोट्स और आरएनए इन प्रोकैरियोट्स. Here option B is correct. DNA and RNA in prokaryote is called genophore. Question number 95 is the cyanobacteria are also referred to as protist, golden algae, slime molds or blue-green algae. Option D is correct. Blue-green algae are also called cyanobacteria. Question number 96 is the gut of cow and buffalo possess Fucus species, Chlorella species, या Methanogens or cyanobacteria. Here the option C is correct. Methanogens are present inside the gut of cow and buffalo. Question number 97. Which of the following set of disease is caused by bacteria? Cholera and tetanus, typhoid and smallpox, tetanus and mumps, herpes and influenza. Here the option A is correct. Cholera and tetanus is caused by bacteria. Question number 98. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Eubacteria, cyanobacteria, archibacteria, or mycobacteria? Here the option C is correct. Archibacteria are present in extreme saline conditions. Question number 99 is which of the following statement about methanogens is not correct? The statements are they can be used to produce biogas. Yes, it is correct. They are found in the rumen of cattle and they are excreta. This point is also correct. They grow anaerobically and break down cellulose rich food. This is not correct. Option D, they produce methane gas. Yes, it is also correct. So the correct option is option C. Question number 100. Which of the following bacteria reduce nitrate in soil into nitrogen? ऐसा कौन सा बैक्टीरिया है जो नाइट्रेट को नाइट्रोजन में रिड्यूस कर देता है? नाइट्रोबैक्टर, नाइट्रोसोकोकस, थियोबैसिलस और नाइट्रोसोमोनास. Here the option C is correct. Thiobacillus bacteria reduces nitrate to nitrogen. Question number 101. On the basis of number and position of flagella, Vibrio cholerae is Atricus, Amphitricus, Monotricus, or Cephalotricus? The correct option is C. Monotricus. Vibrio cholerae is the monotricus bacteria. Question number 102. In which of the following plants root nodules are not formed by rhizobium? Cajanus cajan, Cicer arientum, Glycine max, Casuarina glauca. यहाँ पर ये तीनों ही ऑप्शन लेग्यूमिनेसी फैमिली के हैं और इसमें राइजोबियम रूट नोड्यूल्स फॉर्म करता है. हेयर द ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. कैजुराइना ग्लोका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय प्रेजेंस ऑफ टिकोइक एसिड इन सेल वॉल, हाई परसेंटेज ऑफ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन इन सेल वॉल, लो परसेंटेज ऑफ लिपिड्स, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. द ऑप्शन डी is correct. All of the above because the all points are correct. Question number 104. In bacteria, when many flagella present only at one pole are known as monotrichous, amphitrichous, lophotrichous, or peritrichous. The option C will be correct. Lophotrichous. Question number 105. Methanogenic bacteria belongs to Mycoplasma, Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, or Archibacteria. Here the option D will be correct. Archibacteria. Methanogenic bacteria belongs to Archibacteria. Question number 106. Which of the following organism has cell wall composed of peptidoglycan? Fungi, bryophyte, bacteria, or pteridophyte? Here the option C will be correct. Bacteria has the cell wall composed of peptidoglycan. Question number 107. The term antibiotic was coined by Alexander Fleming, Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Selman Waxman. The option D is correct. Selman Waxman coined the term antibiotics. Question number 108. Peptidoglycans are major cell wall component in gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, Rickettsia, or Helminths. Here the option A is correct. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया में पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन जो है सेल वॉल में ज़्यादा मात्रा में पाए जाते हैं. Question number 109. Stain used for gram staining is aniline blue, cotton blue, crystal violet, or trypan blue. The option C is correct. Crystal violet is the stain used for gram staining. Question number 110. Which of the following is free-living anaerobic bacterium capable of fixing nitrogen? Streptococcus, Azotobacter, Clostridium, or Rhizobium? Here the option C is correct. Clostridium is the anaerobic free-living bacteria which is capable in nitrogen fixation. Question number 111. Which of the following disease is caused by a bacteria? Smallpox, rabies, tuberculosis, or measles? Here the option C will be correct. Tuberculosis. And the name of the causing agent of tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 112. An autoclave is used for inoculation, sterilization, isolation, or identification. Here the option A is correct. Option B is correct. Sterilization. Autoclave is used for sterilization. Question number 113. Bacterial conversion of NO3 to NO2 is called ammonification, nitrification, nitrogen fixation, or denitrification. Here the option D is correct. It is called denitrification. Question number 114. Which one of the following is used as a bioinsecticide? Bacillus polymixa, Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus thuringiensis, or Bacillus brevis? Here the option C is correct. Bacillus thuringiensis is used as a bioinsecticide. Question number 115. Mesosomes are not associated with cell wall formation, DNA replication, respiration, or protein synthesis. Here the option D will be correct. Mesosomes are not associated with protein synthesis. बाकी मेजोसोम्स सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन में और डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन में और रेस्पिरेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 116. A genetically engineered microbe utilized for cleaning oil spills is Pseudomonas pudea, Escherichia coli, Bacillus subtilis, or Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Here the option A is correct. Pseudomonas pudea is a genetically engineered microbe which is used in cleaning oil spills, and it is developed by Dr. Anand Mohan Chakrabarty. So it is also called Chakrabarty bug or super bug. Question number 117. Which of the following is a sulfur bacterium? Nitrosomonas, Clostridium, Azotobacter, or Bagiatoa? Here the option D is correct. Bagiatoa is a sulfur bacterium. Question number 118. Tetanus disease is caused by Mycobacterium leprae, Salmonella typhi, Diplococcus pneumonia, or Clostridium tetani. Here the option D will be correct. Clostridium tetani is the causing agent of tetanus disease. Question number 119. Circular DNA molecules are found in TMV, bacteria, chloroplast, and mitochondria, yeast, or volvox. Here the option B will be correct. Bacteria, chloroplast, and mitochondria contains circular DNA molecules. Question number 120. Transfer of genetic material from one bacterial strain to another through the agency of a virus is called as translation, transformation, transduction, or translocation. Here the option C is correct. This process is called transduction. और दोस्तों मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अभी तक अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें.